Hello, want a creative prompt today?
Yeah, please help me to create a video prompt for food from Indonesian. The food name is satay.
That sounds delicious. To craft a compelling video prompt about satay, do you want to focus on its preparation, cultural significance, or maybe a street food adventure? Are there any specific styles or moods you'd like the video to have, like vibrant, historical, or humorous? Let me know so I can tailor the perfect prompt for you.
Add the style to the prompt, very realistic, cinematic.
Great choice. Here's a vivid, cinematic, and realistic video prompt for satay. Create a cinematic, hyper-realistic video showcasing the vibrant preparation of Indonesian satay. Capture the sizzling skewers being grilled over hot coals, the vibrant colors of the marinated meat, and the bustling street market ambiance. Emphasize the textures, steam, and aroma to evoke an immersive sensory experience that highlights the cultural richness and mouthwatering appeal of this iconic dish. Would you like any specific scenes or details included?
Please focus on the satay itself.
Absolutely. Here's a refined prompt focusing solely on the satay. Create a cinematic, hyper-realistic close-up shot of Indonesian satay, highlighting the glistening skewers with perfectly charred meat. Capture the sizzling aroma and steam rising from the grill, emphasizing the juicy textures and vibrant colors. Use a shallow depth of field to focus on the details of the satay, making it appear irresistibly appetizing and central to the frame, evoking a sense of mouthwatering anticipation. Would you like it to include any specific type of satay or presentation?
No, please record the final prompt.
Your final prompt has been recorded. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. If you ever need more creative sparks, just let me know. Have a fantastic day.